The problem is Bangladesh, right? So why is Indian government not taking a stronger stance against Bangladesh? You target Indian Muslims, but you don't allow illegal migrants to come in from Bangladesh to India. So you're also playing vote bank politics. And I want my Northeast to be safe, secure, and our population is very less. We cannot afford more illegal people to come into Northeast and occupy our land. We, the indigenous people, have only land, not Tripura. Whether it is the Khasis, Garos, Arunachalis, Mizos, Nagas, land is very important to us. Assamese, Bodos, Dimasas, 6th schedule, our land is very important to us. If our land is going to be taken away because vote bank politics will determine that, then I'm sorry, I do not accept it, and we will always fight with anyone who wants to threaten our existence and our survival and take away our land. We will never compromise on that, even if it means me being unpopular with the government of India. Whether it is Congress or BJP, that is not important. Our people are more important.
Thank you so much, sir.